fully understand Panasonic, you have to go back 100 years to their founder, Konosuke Matsushita, and the vision and values he's not only instilled, but insisted upon. You see, his legacy still drives the innovation, the culture, and the success today that has allowed Panasonic to go from just manufacturing and selling vent fans to developing a market-changing solution, focusing specifically on indoor air quality.
僕は、パナソニックっていう会社自身はもともと人を大切にする会社です。特に工場部門、製造部門は物を作る前に人を作る会社ということを松下幸之助創業者が発信されています。
Our founder is everywhere, you know. Once he quotes, trust is very hard to earn, but very easy to lose. So everything we do is based on his memory. You know, we honor his memory. So satisfaction at the end, the happiness of the customer, we can, you know, achieve that.
自分自身がこの工場を世界の換気扇の工場よりさらにイノベーションして変えることがこの工場での僕は役割だと思っています。
We take pride about what we do here. We deliver health to our customers, cleaning the air based on our AIQ solution products.
Now that we understand more about the history and culture of Panasonic, we can get a sense of their products and strategy with a unique set of eyes.
Panasonic.